Welcome to our channel, Upholstery Technology. And we have the car of the day. This is a 2015 Mini Cooper Countryman. And this is the color red, featuring a special order piping black. It's all it is. This is the two front. We're gonna showcase the rear ones later on. And guys, you can order these for your Mini Coopers or any other vehicle in different colors, combinations, perforations, exotics, suede, you name it. We have them all. Contrast stitch, just about anything. So go to leathertech.com or EM Upholstery Technology so you can make your inquiry about your vehicle. And now let's take a look at the toy for this kit. Beautiful Countryman. And as you can see, there's nothing wrong with this interior, factory interior. The only problem is it's not leather. This is synthetic. This is all vinyl. It needs leather for sure. Let's take a look at the back. Beautiful vehicle. It's just leather. It needs leather for sure. They do the floor already, diamonds. And the client requests the console. We'll see if it's doable. Some of them are sealed. We're gonna check that. And this is today's vehicle, the car of the day. Red interior. Guys, visit leathertech.com, EM Upholstery Technology, so you can see how beautiful your car can look with leather. And wait until we complete this installation so you can see how beautiful these kits are gonna look once you get it in your vehicle. Make an inquiry, like and subscribe, so in the future you can see your vehicle get leather in our channel. Leathertech.com, emupholsterytechnology.com. And there you have it, guys. These are the two front seats. You can look for the pictures in our Facebook page. Unfortunately, we cannot put it in the car. It's dark. If once we put it, we're gonna put it in the car, but you're gonna be able to appreciate the finish in this work. So I want to show you right here before we load it into the vehicle, because outside it's already dark. So there you have it. That's how beautiful your seats is gonna look. It's not the same way that you look at it when it was in the table all loose. That's the professional installation. Guys, go to leathertech.com or emupholsterytechnology.com. We have your kit for your vehicle. Over 60 different colors and combinations, exotics, suede, perforations, contrast stitch, color piping, you name it. Virtually for any vehicle, guys. Virtually. There is some cars we don't cover, but make an inquiry, ask the question, we tell you if we have it or not. Some of them can be developed, but guys, just visit our website and make your inquiry right there. Like and subscribe for our friends on YouTube, so you can keep on looking what we're doing in the daily basics. And like and subscribe.